everybody. Welcome to the Inglemoor High School Band Orchestra Jazz Band Open House video. My name is Charlie Fix. I'm one of the instrumental music instructors at Inglemoor High School. This is my fourth year at Inglemoor. I've also taught at Skyview Middle School in the district, as well as in California, Maryland, Iowa, and Florida, both high school and middle school music. I really enjoy teaching at Inglemoor, and I can't wait to work with all of our students this year.
Hello there, I'm Bruce Wilson. I'm the other half of the instrumental music department. This is my fifth year at Inglemoor, and before that, and still ongoing, I'm a professional musician when I'm not here, so I'm out playing shows in the evening. I've been doing that for 35, 40 years. I play all the woodwind instruments, and Mr. Fix plays all the brass instruments, so it's a very complementary situation. We're looking forward to this year. We've got a great group of kids, and we're excited about the year.
We're going to go through in just a minute some important information. We put together a little Google slide presentation. We would love for you to contact us if you have questions or if you ever need more information. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us via email. Our emails will be listed at the end of the slideshow, and you can also find it through ParentView.
And you'll also notice that behind us is the new concert hall, which will be opening hopefully right around January. So we will undoubtedly have some performances in there this year. Very excited about that.
At Inglemoor High School, we are proud to offer a comprehensive music program that meets the needs of all of our students. Elisa Newhall is our choir, piano, and guitar instructor. Myself, Charlie Fix, teaches band, orchestra, and jazz band, and Bruce Wilson also teaches band, orchestra, and jazz band throughout the day. All of our band students participate in the Viking Band, which is our marching band in the fall and our pep band in the winter for basketball games. Right now, all of our students are in Viking Band mode, and our focus is on the marching band. In the coming weeks, we will be transitioning to concert band mode and be working on music for our winter and our spring concerts. Jazz band is a zero-period class open to all students in band, orchestra, or choir. Students interested in joining jazz band can still do so this year. Just see Mr. Fix for more information. Our choir features courses in reading, singing techniques, songwriting, and more. And there are numerous performance opportunities for ensembles and soloists throughout the year. Our orchestra courses perform both as larger orchestra ensembles and as smaller chamber ensembles throughout the year. One of the highlights of our orchestra program is our expert instructors that are brought in throughout the year to help students with chamber music and instrument-specific coaching. Inglemoor also offers non-performing music classes. Our guitar and piano classes are geared towards students who do not have any experience on those instruments, but are interested in learning something new. Students in our band and orchestra classes are expected to bring their instrument, music, and supplies to every single class. Students are expected to regularly practice their parts at home. Attendance is required at all scheduled rehearsals and performances. In band and orchestra classes, performance and effort are paramount in the grading policy. Students are evaluated on their effort and contributions to the ensemble, as well as their technical proficiency. Playing tests will take place in class and online through Schoology. But the most important part of a student's grade is their participation in class and regular attendance and contributions to the ensemble. Performances are a major component of students' overall grade. So please make sure that any performance events are marked on your family's calendar. All students will be issued a performance uniform for band and orchestra. We're very excited this year that our Music Boosters has funded new orchestra uniforms for all of our orchestra groups. To take care of these uniforms, there is a maintenance and cleaning fee associated with them. For band, it's $60, and for orchestra, it's $20. These fees are assessed to all students in band and orchestra and can be paid either directly through the bookkeeper at Inglemoor High School or online through the TouchBase system. We're very excited to have a return to live in-person performances this year, and performances are scheduled on the calendar that has been sent home. However, we are aware of the potential need to adjust these dates depending on the circumstances. So whenever there are changes that need to be made, we will try to communicate those as frequently and as often as possible. We're also very excited that our new concert hall and music classroom building is scheduled to open in January. And I've included a few pictures on this slide of the current state of that building. Inglemore Music Boosters is the organization that raises funds and supports music at Inglemore in our band, choir, and our orchestra. All parents and family members of music students are automatically members of Music Boosters. They provide funds to purchase instruments, uniforms, music, and equipment, provide scholarships to students, and provide volunteering help to help with uniform distribution, concerts, and more. If you would like to get involved with Music Boosters, please email them. The email address is listed on this slide. And lastly, if you have questions or would like more information about any part of our music program, please don't hesitate to ask us. Our email addresses are listed here, and they're also available through ParentView and on Schoology. Thank you very much, and we look very much forward to having your student in our classes this year.